might get shit for not wearing a helmet, but I'm not going anywhere, so what do we need a helmet for? All right, Danny is driving the van, which is already a scary thought because he's the clumsiest man I've ever met in my life. I decided that it's time to change a tire on the CBX, and we all know the best way to change a tire is to burn out the old one. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna burn the old one off.
And in 25 words or less, what is this bike?
This bike is Honda CBX 6-cylinder. It's got a fully built motor. I'm talking fully built to the hilt. A turbo. It's got a nitrous kit. We took the nitrous kit off it because that was a little overkill. Öhlins, piggyback shocks, PM wheels, PM brakes. Pretty much done up. Got about a Mr. Turbo kit running about 11 PSI right now. We're gonna turn that thing up to about 20 next time we take it out. So, be fun. Let's do this.
Love this bike! Everything! Woo!
That was fun, wasn't it? Dude, that was sick. I love it. I love it. I love bikes.
I don't want to alarm you, but there's still quite a lot of tyre left.
Oh, you want to do one?
Oh no, it's up to you.
It's up to you. Alright. We got Mark Boxer from HoonTV visiting us from Australia. He's going to show us how a proper burnout is done. That was fun.
Do I owe you a tyre?
Yes, you do. I'm going to put it on your Airbnb stay. Since you're staying at my spot.